Hey guys, so today I am going to be planting my first fall, well, I'm lying. It's not my first fall pot, but it's my first intentional fall pots. I'll be planting a couple different ones with you guys today, and then I'm gonna show you one that I unintentionally planted a few weeks ago that as I was planting it, I'm like, this could just carry on through fall. And that's what I kind of like, because I don't usually plant separate containers for fall. It's just an expense that I just have not gotten up to being able to do yet. So planting containers that can take you from summer to fall is where it's at. So let me show you these containers. So this container I'm actually gonna pull out. I did this earlier this year and I do not like it. I think it's hideous and it has to go. Good riddance. So I've got my trusty soil tub. This has a potting soil mix in it, a Pro Mix soil. And you know, I'm having a hard time finding my Pro Mix soil in Walmart. I don't know if there's a supply issue right now, but it was available, you know, the start of the season, and then now all of a sudden I just cannot find it. So these are the plants I got during my birthday. They were already overgrown and out of control when I got them, so I will be attempting to tame them. They look a little scraggly. I know, I understand. It's because they were super dry and I watered them before I started this video, but they had not had a lot of time to get themselves together. But here it is, it's all planted. I am not satisfied with this pot. This one, I'm just so happy to get this out of here. And just as I suspected, the whole root and ball and soil came up with this plant. So now I get to start fresh soil, which I love to do that, but I also like to reuse soil too. I have no problem with that. All I do is add in like compost and some fertilizers to like rejuvenate the soil. And I love this elephant ear so much, I will be saving that one. I'm obsessed with coluses this year. I grew so many from seed, and then I bought a lot of them too, and they are just so pretty. They add that pop of color. They add to the tropical feel I'm going for. So now I'm watering them in again. This video is actually gonna be like over the span of a couple of days because I decided to change a few things with these pots. So this is how they look on day one. Everything still looks pretty sad because it was so dry prior to planting. And to be honest, I'm not quite convinced that these pots are really that cute yet. Everything is so tall, needs to be managed, but I'm dealing with overgrown plants right now, so something has to be changed. So here's day two, when I decided to chop and prop these plants right in the container. I'm not sure about these petunias. I've never propagated this particular variety before, but I know for a fact that the coluses will do just fine. Cut them, cut off the lower foliage, stick them right in the soil, and keep the pot very moist. So watering it every single day is how you propagate in a pot. Now you definitely can water propagate coluses. They water propagate super easy. But I'm doing this just to fill in these pots. I want them to be big and bushy, not necessarily with the coluses as tall as they are. I love the Sedona sunset collis. It's so pretty, so vibrant and bright. So here's how they look after propagating. And just so you know, they will wilt before you see them start actually growing again. If they wilt, continue to keep the soil moist. They will come back most of the time. You'll know if something doesn't make it, but for the most part, just keep it moist. They will root up. They root so easily. Here is the other pot, looking amazing. These guys are gonna fill out, and I might propagate some more with that coleus because I feel like it's just a tad bit too tall. So here is the last pot that I potted up a few weeks ago that I thought, oh, this would be really nice for fall. I think it would look so cute. So we've got the caladiums. These I started from bulb in an earlier video with you guys. This leaf right here is just huge on this baby. Look at that. Huge. And I will be saving these bulbs this fall again to reuse for next year. Then we've got some coleus that I grew from seed. Gorgeous. It's got this red with the pink undertone, which I love. Let me get it clearer. Gorgeous. And then we've got this grass here that I actually grew this from seed as well. It's stunning. It's already gone to, I believe these are like seeds here, and I should collect, but I don't think I'm going to do that. But it's stunning grass. We've got a new shoot coming up right here, and I feel like this pot is simple. It can transfer over to fall and be cost friendly. So when you are potting up things for spring, summer, and fall, it can get so expensive. So one thing that you can do, and that I'm actually doing for another planter that's not shown in this video, but I am propagating coleuses and then any like plants that are on clearance that I can find that would do well, like would rebound from the clearance section. I am saving those to make fall planters to save money. So you guys let me know what you do with your planters from summer. How do you transition them to fall, or do you create all new planters? All right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these fall planter inspirations. Let me know what you guys do in the comment section. Bye.